I think so. Why not?
I mean,
But it's gonna be hard. But
we did get. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, Bobby. We did get. Um, we're live. We did get 4 winners yesterday. Okay. Now they were the. Let me just move some of this stuff and let's get on the stream. They were the weakest 4 trades ever, by the way. But I did catch 4 winners. So I've got to thank you, Bobby, because I used this combined with the GG indicator. What do you call this? Stock RSI?
yeah, it's called stochastic, and I apologize because I'm sick, so that's why I sound like this.
He sounds like shit, man. But he is here to help us win some trades or potentially lose some trades. Is the audio okay?
Yeah, the audio's great.
Okay, cool. So I've set a strong rule for myself, Bobby, where I don't really touch shitcoins. The volume is obviously low. I think that's what you said. So we might have to go down the market cap kind of coins here, but I really just want to stick to what I'm kind of learning here. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Sui, and ADA. Those are the only coins I've touched so far.
Okay.
And this is day 4, I believe.
Well, it's a good learning experience.
No, bro, we're here to absolute print because come tomorrow when we actually join the proper, what's it, 9:30 UTC time, or whatever it's called, -5 New York time. That's when I believe volume's going to kick in. You know what I found interesting before we really start looking at some trades? Has BitUnext increased the leverage to 200x?
Yeah, I only saw it because I saw the chat on Discord, but that is crazy.
That's a bit dangerous, guys. Like, we love the crypto expert, but 200x, like how much is that even needing to move before you get liquidated? Also, it depends on what you have in, but that's crazy, no?
Yeah, it's crazy, but remember what I told you before. It doesn't matter in a sense if you're only risking the same amount per trade.
Yep. Okay.
So in essence, if you put in $20 per trade, then you'll be fine.
Okay. Well, we're not going to do that because we have a set rule where we have to do $2,000, 5x leverage. So, and we're going to keep with that rule until we, what's it called when you lose your whole account balance? Not get wrecked. Liquidate, I guess.
You blow your account.
Blow your account. I hear some clicking behind me. That's kind of annoying. But anyways, we'll get on with this. So, what have we got going on? Minutely, 5-minutely, Bobby's going to have a heart attack because I did tell you, Bobby, that's what we have to do in this channel so far. We're not doing 4-hourly. We're not doing 1-hourly. We're not doing daily. We're not doing weekly. We are scalping the fuck out of these top 5 coins. In fact, top 6 coins. Okay, so it's not what you would recommend, but that's what I want to get good at. That's all I want to do. Okay? So you have to be okay with that and know what you signed up for. It's 1 minute to 5-minute maximum trades, and probably 1 minute.
Yeah, this is peak degeneracy. But I'm here.
It's not, because it is player versus player. Okay? So all I have to do is beat somebody and not get manipulated. Okay? And hopefully it's fucking Q at the other side of the table. Sorry, Q, if you're watching. But if it is, I'm jumping in XRP. Are you trading live? Yes, we are trading live. I'm going to trade live. Try and do it every single day, to be honest. It's going to be hard. I would just like to do it Monday to Friday, which I think, Bobby, is what you said, and most of the guys said it was the best time to do it. 9:30 p.m. Bangkok time, which would be 9:30 a.m. your time, right? When volume comes in. But I understand that repetition is the game, right, Bobby? Even if the volume's low, like yesterday, it doesn't mean we can't make 4 winning trades, right? Or make 4 losing trades. You're still going to win or lose. E.g., you're still going to get better.
That's true. The only thing to remember that I told you that weekends are weekends for a reason. Volume is low, and it is very easy to manipulate the chart. So they can move the chart quite easily. So just keep that in mind.
Yeah. So
this might be the craziest thing I've done in a while. Like trade on a Sunday.
Really? Come on. I think this was your idea.
Oh, like I said I'll join you. Yeah, sure.
Okay, good. So I'm going to say what I'm looking at, Bobby, and I would like you to come in like a little teacher and teach me, right? I'm looking at ADA here, okay, differently than I'm looking at the other coins, because what I can see here is the stock RSI is up, oversold, catch something early here and get a potential 20-second to 30-second flip. Would you agree?
I mean, you're basically trying to catch a needle, a pen.
That's what a scalper does, Bobby.
I understand that, but I'm just saying, just because you see, the stock RSI, go down and be in an oversold level doesn't mean it's the bottom. Just because every minute is sort of resetting, right?
Yes, Bobby. Yes. I understand. Of course.
So the only thing I would tell you, even though you want to trade on the 1 minute, I know you don't want to hear this, but at least zoom out a little bit to see where you are within the trend.
I agree. There's not a lot of volume, which is kind of fun because we kind of have some more kind of options to look at. Really, this is on the minute, and it's not moving at all. Everything is kind of on your little thing, stock RSI. Bobby, explain what the stock RSI for some guys, because I know you taught me what's the difference in this and RSI, just that it's more accurate.
Yeah, so hold on, let me just get a little cough drop. Give me a minute because I'm dying here.
While he's doing that, I'll potentially look at long and ADA. Potentially, not locking it in.
Okay, so I mean, in a sense, people are used to, playing with the regular RSI. So you have the regular RSI, and you have the stochastic RSI, right, or stock RSI, whatever you want to call it. So the RSI only basically measures the speed and magnitude of the price, if that makes sense. So what does it do? It identifies momentum. So it sort of goes hand in hand with the GG in a sense. So what people know, if it's over 70, it means overbought, but if it's under 30, it's oversold, right? But the problem is with the time frame that you want to use, it's just slower, and it's just better to do trend following type of deal, right? With the regular RSI. But the stock RSI, which is what I told you should use, it basically, how can I say this? So it measures RSI relative to its own range over a set period. So what does that mean? It's going to be very fast, and it's very sensitive. That means there's a lot of noise, though, but it's sensitive, and it'll catch up very fast, which is sort of what you need, in this high-risk environment. I don't know if that makes sense.
Yeah, it makes sense.
So it's great to time your entries, though. And it's great for what you're trying to do right now, for scalping, right?
Okay. I just longed ADA.
Just long data.
Yeah, for what you were talking, long data like 25 seconds ago. I didn't even know if I was testing you there, just to see if you were paying attention. And I was like, he's not noticed. I've just fucking put $2,000, technically $10,000 leverage on why he's talking. he's talking about the stock RSI. I'm just sitting there banging a 2K fucking long ADA. I was waiting for you to say something. You never said it, so I might as well just fucking say it because you never said anything. But yeah, we just longed ADA. Probably a little bit too early there. Tried to be kind of funny. I'm not going to lie. But we're just getting our feet wet first. Like I said, we're just having fun. But the RSI there was low. Could catch an early trend, but there's no volume, boys. It's fucking. We should be. Bomb or just bomb, give me something. So we'll leave that one on for a second because it's basically literally.
Yes, I was looking at it right now, but I have it in 5 minutes.
Oh, okay. Oh, 5 minutes. What, you want to be here all day? We don't go all day, Bobby. It's nearly sleep time for me. Come on.
All right. So do you have any? So how does this work? Do you have any sort of take profit levels, or you just
No,
basically?
no, no. That's going to come like maybe next week. This kind of first 3 to 4 days is just kind of like no take profit. It's just like get our feet wet, and just to see what it's about. Like remember, this is like literally. Um, I've been a hodler for 5 to 6 years now, almost 6 years. Well, 5 years, right? I'm using DeFi along the side. Like this is my fourth day trading, really realistically. So, and 4 days ago, you just taught me how to use this fucking machine. So like, we're not ready for the take profit stop losses. Although that would probably be the best to do that at the first because, you know, if it goes south, you're out the fucking game. But like I've shared with many guys, like people don't understand this. Like I'm completely okay with losing this whole account balance to learn. Okay. And that's what it is looking like it's going to do right now.
Okay, so right now it looks so if I'm looking at the 1 minute, it looks like it's trying to form sort of a bottom at the 1 minute. I don't even know if
Yeah, that's what I kind of seen. So correct me if I'm wrong here. I seen it start to go, and then I just started to see it bounce off here. We'll see what happens here. If it goes, I'm fucking gone. But I could just see it kind of bouncing off here. Is that correct or not?
yeah, that is correct.
You see that, guys? I'm fucking seeing something. Because before, and I'm not even trying to be funny here, guys. Before, I would just see this and just not understand what the F was going on. Now, this could still go completely wrong. And that's okay. You're going to have some absolute massive losses, and that's okay. But that's what I could kind of see. Just it bouncing off here. And that's what it's exactly happening right fucking now. You see it's trying? It's just bouncing off here. So that.
But
Oh,
you,
and we're just about to break it. Good job, guys.
so here's what I would say. Like I know you're playing this, by ear, but I would say like have a little stop loss. Well, you saw this wick, right? So that just closed, candle closed on the 1 minute.
No, I'm not sure on BTC here. Yeah, okay.
So so
Okay,
so
sorry.
it's reacting off that level right now. But if you're gonna do this, down the line, it's okay to take these bets, but always protect your downside.
Talk to me. Okay, so I'm not. We're not doing stop losses till next week. That's out the question. I'll lose $2,000 just to learn. I'm fine with that. Okay, so once we get that out the way, then everybody can understand. I'm okay with losing $10,000 in one day if I have to learn. Like believe it or not, I'm completely okay. So just like let's accept that. Let's talk about stop losses next week. Okay? Can we just stop talking about stop losses?
All right, excuse me, I'm sorry.
No more talking about stop losses. And I want to talk about stop losses next week because I want to understand the next part of trading is like the guy next door, Ram, right? He always talks about he talks about, it's called 1R or RR in the trading game. I think it's called for more stocks. I think it's the same with crypto, right? So it's like calculating how much your stop loss is going to be compared to how much win rate, right? So how would you in this trade, for example, set a stop loss to set a take profit?
All right, so from where you open the trade, ideally you want to look for a 2R. And what does that mean? Basically, you're trying to make twice as much as what you're risking, right?
Yes.
So it'll be a 2-to-1 ratio. That's basically what it means. So
Okay, so let's build down on time. Let's build down on time, right? So what would you say here if we were to do this? I'm not going to do this, but let's say okay, we're on this trade right now. Where would the take profit be on this example?
now, I would likely put the take profit. I would target the top of that red candle,
43?
that long candle. So now it would be 40.23.
40.23.
Yeah, you look at the price.
Oh,
Let,
sorry.
let me give you.
Yeah, you're right. I'm on the 1 minute. My bad. I thought it was 43. You're right. 40.23. My bad.
Yeah, that would be. But I would do several levels.
Okay.
So that would be one, and then I would probably move it all the way to 40.31.
Okay.
So maybe do two levels, right? And you could add it right now to this one just in case. Because do you also not want to do take profit levels?
Well, I'll do one because it's not going to do anything. So how do you put multiple in here? I'm not seeing this.
All right. So you see where it says on the down there where your position's open, where you see ADA, future size, mark price, margin.
So I can only do one here. I have to do multiple here.
No. You could do it.
Okay.
So right there where it says position. Oh, you're a little VIP then. Yeah. So position TPSL.
Mm-hmm.
You click on that little Yeah.
Okay. Now what?
So do you want to do one or do you want to do multiple?
Well, I don't want to do any right now. I just want you to tell me how you would do that, or do I need to actually do it to open up two? Is that when you're going
No,
to do partial?
you could do it afterwards, but in the kind of time frame that you're in,
Mm-hmm.
you already want to have this set up because it moves so quickly.
Mm-hmm.
So you would basically put, where it says TP,
Mm-hmm.
instead of profit, you're gonna put, um, you're gonna do price because you want to do a specific price, right?
Mark.
So now,
Okay.
you know where it says my P&L. You could just put the actual.
But okay.
the actual price.
Well, what does last and mark mean?
So, from what I understand, it's so there's two different prices, right? Anytime you have a trade, there's sort of an average that forms, right? So, I know MEXC will do it.
Mm-hmm.
So there's like the average price that's going,
Mm-hmm.
and then there's like the other price that's sort of like moving. So I wouldn't worry about this.
Okay. So what?
But I would just type in, if it's a level that I'm seeing, it would be 40.23. So 0.4023.
And I make $28. That's it.
Yes.
Oh. Okay. But how would you do the second one then?
Well, because now you're not doing position. Now you're doing partial PPSL. You know where it says, yeah.
Yeah.
You would pick that, and then you could pick several.
Okay. And that's it.
Yeah, so I would do 40.23 for the first, and I would maybe do 40.31 for the second take profit.
Okay, cool.
So you can say, okay, sell 50% on the first one or 25%, whatever you want to do.
Okay, cool. Good to know. Good to know. We're not going to do that, like I said, but good to know.
But also, here's what you should always have a take profit level. Whenever you hit close trade at market price, I don't know if you realize this, but you may see like, okay, maybe you're up on a trade 40, 50%. By the time you close it, a lot of the times it's different, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because you still have to click the button and click confirm, and by that time, price will likely change.
Well, you can flash close.
It's still the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
You still have to click two buttons.
No, this just closes it, but I know what you mean. This just completely closes it, from what I understood yesterday.
Even if you do that, the price still varies. Now, if you have a take profit level that's already set,
You're right.
it's faster and it's more accurate.
Okay, cool.
Way faster.
Got you. We'll do that tomorrow. What we can see now on ADA is just being very toying, isn't it? Look at it. It's just fucking can't make up its mind. But what do you see here on the minutely? Remember, we are now up overbought technically to this indicator, but it's chilling right now.
I mean, basically, like I said, it's still forming a bottom.
Okay. What do we got in BTC? BTC just went.
What's your liquidation level on the ADA?
Oh, it's going to be so low, bro. We don't wait till that level, though. It is 32. So it would have to go. My God. I can't even scroll down in this chart to find out how low it would go. Like, it's not going to happen.
You should be pretty safe.
Yeah, but I'll close the trade live on stream, even way before that. So we're not getting liquidated in these trades, but we will take massive losses if it gets down there before the end of this stream. That's real. In future, we will build up the formula, but right now, we're just getting messy, spending loads to learn loads. Okay, let's move on. We'll leave that 8-1 right now. It's basically a break even. It's doing nothing. We'll just see how it does. If it starts to get to these points here, we'll look at it. But right now, it's very, very, very choppy in this kind of range here. But I'm fine with this trade right now.
What if it just wicks up and then you miss it while you're talking.
That's fine. I'll learn this important lesson. I'll be like, fuck, Bobby, well done. We're on for next week.
Okay.
Let's move on. Bitcoin is just went confirmation on green, but again, with this indicator, you know, this makes me second guess everything for good or bad, right? Because we have a little flip here in the 1 minute, but we're overbought. So I'm not going to long it, but before I might have longed this, right?
But what I told you, right? Just because it's you know it's overbought or oversold,
Yep.
doesn't mean it's going to change right away. This is the 1 minute.
Yep.
Man, I have to make sure these habits don't freaking stick with me.
Stick with me or stick with you?
No, stick with me.
Okay, good.
I'm sort of having an aneurysm here.
Are you shorting BTC here? No, I'm not shorting BTC here. You seen that $4 in profit there? I was close. I'm close. I'm close, boys. I am fucking close, Bobby. I'll do it. Now, with leverage, we have taken $4 loss. So we have to make $4 to break even. Come on. Come on, Bobby.
Wait, what's the question?
There's no question. I'm just seeing this big green dildo, and we're getting close to your take profits. If we can get some fucking momentum here, we smash this, and I flash close.
Jake, why don't you just put the take profit level?
Never.
Oh, God.
Next week, which is tomorrow. Okay. We just got another green candle close. Somebody said sell all the alts. No, our hodl bags are fine. Bobby has sold his alts, so I believe Bobby, last time we spoke, which was yesterday, you're in crypto.com, you're in Rune, you're in Monad, you're in some shitcoin, well, you are in some shitcoin, you rolled over 13x on that, and you are in, what else are you in? I think that was it.
Yeah, I think that was it. And a token called TITN.
TITN.
Yes.
So he has sold most of his alts and his Bitcoin. I am still in everything, in absolutely everything, because yeah, I'm just too scared to sell. So.
And I've had this conversation with you, Jake, to try to do to swing your H bar.
No,
I can't get through to you.
no chance. That's like me telling you to swing your fucking rune. Are you crazy?
I mean, the difference is that, you know, when H bar was 40 cents, you could have just rebought it.
Oh my god, look at that big red candle. Did somebody just super chat? I heard like a massive fucking thing. What was that? No, somebody subscribed. I don't know why it makes that noise. Yeah, massive red candle there, Nita. Fuck, I should have took the 4 profits. Jesus Christ.
Oh, I'm assuming, hey, the YouTube expert is that, I'm assuming that's the crypto expert. It has the same,
Ah, there he is. The 200x leverage guy. We got you here. The bull run ended October 6th, guys. Well, what do you think about that, Bobby? He's been fucking killing it in our group. 200x leveraging. The bull run ended October 6th. I mean, Bobby, me and you are going to disagree with that.
I mean, there is a case to be made about that, right? I mean, just look at Bitcoin. We didn't have that triple top that we had the last cycle, right? But I'm still pretty bullish for Q1. But as of right now, it's going to be pretty dead. We're going to be going sideways.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What else do I see? Again, I'm only touching these 6 altcoins, so I'm not going to touch anything else until next week. Sui's ranging, doing nothing. XRP is ranging, doing nothing. You see anything in your end, Bobby, that kind of looks interesting?
I mean, if it has to be the stuff
Yes,
that's on your
you know that.
that's on your list. Well, I mean, hold on.
It's okay, guys. Next cycle will be way better. 2027 will be easy money.
I mean, even for Bitcoin on the 1 minute,
I'm looking at it
oh
right
man,
now.
I'm just hating this freaking sideways. So there's just problem is there's no volume. So that's why it's dead. I know you're looking for a dopamine hit, but
No,
it's
no.
just dead.
I'm not looking to make any money here. I'm looking to just trade every single day and put in the reps. So I don't care about anything like that, bro. There's no dopamine here. Unless we make $5 and I can buy a fucking coffee. We're chilling. Bitcoin is just went green here. It's in the middle.
I do want to ask.
Hmm?
I want to ask the YouTube expert. Are you the same crypto expert guy?
He is.
And if so, what else are you an expert on? What's the other persona? Jake, what's your favorite brand of Coke?
Well, I don't know if he's trying to be funny there, but you know,
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know.
Could be anything.
I don't know, but I don't drink Coca-Cola if that's what you were gonna mean. So no way. What's your favorite brand of Coke, Bobby?
I don't have any. I don't drink soda.
You don't drink any. You don't even drink tonic water. Tonic water is so good, bro.
Well, by tonic water, you mean sparkling water.
No, this is sparkling water. Tonic water is like that yellow water. It's called like Swarps or something. I think it's technically soda, but it's not soda. I wouldn't count it as soda.
I have no idea. Let me look it up. What is the difference between sparkling water and tonic water?
You're crazy. The YouTube expert, he wants to go over my portfolio. Okay, let's go over the portfolio. Maybe we'll look for some trades. Let's rate my portfolio. And he wants to... What you buy your stall for? What do you want to know about my portfolio? I mean, you already know my portfolio because I share every fucking YouTube video I make. But the reason why I bought the Bitcoin was to buy back basically the Bitcoin I lost from Celsius. And the whole goal there was not to worry about money again. Use it as a savings account, I guess you could say. So I wanted to buy back that as fast as possible. Ethereum, the goal was pretty much the same. H-bar was just to get over 1 million. What price did I buy Solana? He asked for. Average is 103. It was a lot lower than that, but I bought some. Can't remember when it was, but I raised the price when I did my next DCA. And then everything else is just kind of like, I don't want to say speculative, but like meh compared to the size of the portfolio in the top four. So good prices on ETH and BTC. Yeah, those were the main ones that I wanted to. There were a lot less in 2020. My average on BTC before Celsius bullshit was 17, 18, whatever, 18 maybe 5, and Ethereum was like 450. But that's basically doubled. But it is what it is. What's in your portfolio, YouTube expert? I'm guessing you have nothing because the bull run was over, according to you. Again, there's no right or wrong answer. In October 6th, I think you said. So are you just trading full time? It looks like you are. Or what's in your portfolio? And when are you, a question maybe for Bobby as well to spin off the YouTube expert, when are you buying again then? Or are you just trading?
I mean, yeah, personally, I'm not buying it. You already know that.
Yeah, not you. Everything's ranging. Everything's ranging. Just trading, not crypto. Can you share, bro, when you put these things in our Discord? I mean, Bobby wants to know, not me. Bobby keeps telling me to ask you, so I'm going to ask you. How much are you putting on? Because you are, Bobby, you would agree, like, this is fucking crazy. I'm doing 5x leverage and I think I'm crazy. You're doing 100 to now 200x leverage. Like, is that not stressful?
I mean, it depends on what he's putting on.
That's what I asked. He said he'll buy when BTC hits 200 SMA, which is $56,000. What if we don't get that? What if we don't get that, Bobby?
I mean, chances are we'll likely get there.
Really? You've said we're not going to hit 56K. What the fuck?
I didn't say that.
I swear you said that.
I'm pretty sure we'll hit it on a wick.
All right. All right, we're long on Ethereum. I love the little dopamine click noise. So funny. Clip that. I love the little dopamine click noise. It's like, it's such a nice little noise. It's like you've just entered a nice little video game. It's like ding, and then you just start to fucking lose loads of money. It's like ding, welcome to the game, and then you just fucking lose.
All right. I mean, yeah, it's.
Come on.
Yeah, go ahead, long it.
I already did it, bro.
Long it.
I've already longed it, bro. Longed it fucking ages ago. Yeah, these time zones are terrible. I can't wait for tomorrow because that's when, I think it was Thursday or Friday when the market opened. And some guy, I think I told you this, Bobby, some guy was like, just wait, it's coming. Wait 1 minute, Jake. And as soon as that happened, it just got way more fun. But I thought cryptocurrency, man, again, I'm a hodler, I'm a DeFi investor. And I know we say DeFi on the weekend's pretty short volume, which is making sense to what we're seeing right now. But like, you don't really think about, because it's open 24/7. It's just like, obviously there are people still trading, etc. But there's really like no volume.
Now, here's something crazy that's going to happen that we're talking about, right? We'll actually extend the hours of the stock market and make it 24/7. That's what they're talking about. So if that happens, all bets are off. Because you know that guy. What's his name? This big trading YouTuber, Craig Prococo.
Yeah.
He always trades the New York Open, the London Open. And that's how you get those huge dopamine hits.
Yep.
Because you get all that volume and all that volatility. That's what you want. If you're going to be scalping like you are, you want the volatility.
Yep. Yeah, I agree. That's exactly what you want. Okay, let's move on. So we've done Ethereum, we've done ADA. What is he saying? We get that BTC always flirts with 200 SMA every time it breaks. So 50 SMA. You get used to it. Yeah, you get used to it. Run out of coins here, Bobby. We have to go down the line. Should we just go and pump.fun? Just put 10k in there and just fucking blow it? Should we? I'm joking.
No, I wouldn't. But I did tell you. I bought Dino and Soul. So that ran.
Nice.
But more than 99% of these freaking coins on pump.fun, they just die. They don't even last a day. It's pure gambling. Just like this.
No, this isn't gambling. This is looking at the GG indicator and looking at the stock RSI and having educational bets. How dare you? How dare you? You not see my 4 for 4 yesterday, Bobby, and I called it. I promise you. Once we start getting up the leverage, like the YouTube expert or the crypto expert, as he's called in our Discord, we're fucking ready to go. But we will lose big. We will fucking lose big. I promise you that on some days. We're going to lose massive amounts of money for your entertainment only. What do you think the percentages of traders winning and losing? Do you think it is that 90 to 99% of people that ChatGPT always says and other people say? What do you think the real number is?
No doubt.
You think it is?
No doubt.
That's crazy.
Not singled out. And I'll even say, on the remaining 10%, you got the people who are basically barely scraping by. And then there's the 5%. Those are the elite that are actually making a killing.
And I will be in that category. You're laughing at me now, everybody in chat, but I promise you, I'll do it. It was the same with drop shipping. It was the same with losing everything in Celsius. It was the same with everything. I promise you, because I will put more reps in. And I'll just do this every single day. Lose $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month just to be in that level. I will do it, Bobby. If it kills me.
Look, that's one place where I don't disagree with you.
Because I refuse to give up. There's no, I don't get burned by these money. There's no chance I lose. Because if you were to ask me 4 or 5 years ago, in fact, even 3 years ago, 4 years ago, when this bear market wiped me out, I couldn't afford to do this, literally. Could not afford to do it. Hello from Spain.
Yeah, I mean...
Go on.
Oh, hello from Spain. Hola, señor español.
Hola.
Bobby speaks Spanish.
You do speak Spanish. I forgot that.
Yes.
Patience is the key in crypto trading. Need to wait hours, if not days, for the right entry. True. I've been watching a lot of TGR. I think I showed you him, Bobby. He's a scalper as well. He comes in with size, and he basically is doing what I'm trying to do at a way bigger level, but he's entering at the right time. So, Bobby, I think I showed you him as well. He's doing the same kind of thing here on basically the S&P and the NASDAQ, and that's all he does. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Look at that ADA. Give me a 2-figure ADA, and I'll hit that flash close right now, boys.
Give it time to breathe.
I'm German, living in Spain, still learning Spanish. Bobby's the right man for you there.
Well,
come on! Let's go! Let's go! 7, take away 4, $3. That's coffee tomorrow morning. Let's fucking go! 5 for 5. No, I'm telling you, this is like the level I'm playing at right now. There's no volume. We're just seeing the trades play out. Let's fucking go. Sorry, guys. Maybe I was too loud there. But this is what I'll do. This is what I'll do. I'll literally do this. $7. $7. And I'm playing with $10,000 a trade here. Keep that in mind, right?
you know, this is the most excited I've seen you ever.
And this is why I've decided to join this game. And I've said this before. My YouTube channel is basically going to die because I'm doing this for the next 3 to 6 months till I find that new audience, because I don't want to talk about the news anymore. I am sick and tired of being like these other YouTubers. I'm done with that. And you said this is you were quite excited about that, right? Being a trader yourself. I'm sick and tired of talking about the news. I just can't do it anymore. So I'd rather just learn this now than wait until I'm 10 years, 40, 20 years, 50, whatever, and then maybe decide to do it. I need to do it now. Let's go! Another 7. Come on! Come on! Come on! 8. Come on! $15. That's 500 back. Come on. I'm 6 for 6. Calm down. Let's go. Let's fucking go. A win's a win. A win's a win. Come on. Let's go. You don't get this. I've not had this in fucking 6 months. I didn't even have that when Bitcoin hit 125K. I was like, oh, okay. $15.
So can we say this is the first time you officially take profits, Jake?
Yes. And anybody that ever says that on my normal videos that say I've never taken... Yes. Thank you said that, because I can finally say I've took profit 6 times in a row.
Oh my God.
That was good. That was good, Bobby. Fuck yes. And he's sick. Imagine if he was on 100% health, he'd be fucking off his chair right now. Let's go. Nice. Nice. That felt fucking good. You're right.
I think I just coughed up my lungs, but it was worth it.
Make sure to buy my $1,000 course, guys. Link in comment. And I'll be sure to teach you how to trade in a minute with $10,000 leverage and make $18. Link below. Link below. Fuck these course sellers. You don't need course sellers. You need to just come in the game, lose money, make a tiny bit of money, break even. You're in the game. Just pull up every single day, man. I'm telling you, Bobby. It's always the same thing. It's always the same. Let's go. Let's calm down now. Let's calm down. And we'll lose this on the next trade, and that's absolutely fine. It's absolutely okay for me. All right. Now we start again. This is so funny. It is so funny, and hopefully we are entertaining you guys, but trying to show you the journey. And I promise you in 6 months' time, Bobby, like, we'll be in this different stage where we've just progressed so much. I promise you. Because there's no way you don't get better at something unless you do it every day. Every day. And I'm doing it every day on camera. Which is way worse, but way better. Because it's like, oh, if I might miss a day, but I'm not going to miss a day and not do a trade if me and Bobby are here on camera, right? I'm going to put at least one trade on. Guaranteed. Okay. That was nice.
So I guess we can actually mark this as the beginning of your recovery. You'll finally start taking profits. Hopefully it'll spill into your spot portfolio.
Nah, bro, I'm round tripping that. God, no.
Oh, please don't.
Yeah. Okay. Let's calm down. Let's get the dopamine back. Let's chill the fuck out. Okay, let's go again.
But you know what's funny? You closed the ADA trade too early.
I know, Bobby. I know. It's not about that, okay? It's about us calling the trade. Oh, fuck's sake. And now it just goes. Boom. Jake is slaying a new dragon. Yes, I am. Fuck, that's farbing at, what would you say, a nice little wedge here, a nice little highs.
Yeah.
Boom, oh, it's fucking running. Holy fuck. I did this yesterday as well.
40, 20, I told you 40,
yes.
23.
This is my problem, man. This is the one thing I just don't... Well, I understand it, but this is going to be my biggest downfall when we start entering here with really size. And we are coming in here with size, by the way. Like, let's be honest. It's $10,000 trades, basically. My biggest problem is cashing out and being a little pussy. Just because of that dopamine. Because one time, when something runs... Because when something doesn't run, it goes south, and I never even get back in. I just have to take a loss on it. This one will pay for that, but $18 is not going to pay for like a $2,000 loss. That's going to be my biggest problem. I might win 30 trades in a row. I'm not going to, but let's say I did, but I'll lose one big, and the 30 trades, they could have paid for that if I held on, right? That's my biggest problem, at least what I can see. How do I fix that? Because that's my mental block right now. I can't seem to not do that.
Well, your mental block, this is why so most of the game in trading is just psychology, man. You have to take the emotion out of it. I know you don't want to do that, but that's why you set your take profit levels beforehand and your stop loss as well.
Yeah, the YouTube expert just closed 60% of the trade and set the stop loss at break even. Yeah, it's another way, right?
Yeah, what I told you can set multiple take profits.
Yeah.
So you heard it from me, and you heard it from the expert. How much more do you need, Jake?
Listen, how many of you guys have just took 2 trades in a row there and make $15? Okay? Okay? Put your money where your mouth is, boys.
I like the cockiness, though.
No, bro. It's just me just being funny. Oh, my God, it's going. Okay, let's look for something else. Ethereum's going as well. Damn. Was it Ethereum I longed as well? I think it was, wasn't it? Fuck's sake. God damn it.
Yeah, you already closed it.
Yep. It's fine. It's absolutely fine.
How's Solana doing?
My trading view's giving me issues, probably. It's going as well. Everything's... Oh, my God. It's okay. It's okay. Did everybody in the chat just copy our trades and are leaving it running? And that's what's creating the volume right now? Maybe. Alright, let's move on. Let's move on. How do you know when is enough enough?
What do you mean?
Like, oh, we're done for the day. 2 trades. Because you don't want to rush trades, right? I don't want to rush trades. And I say this all the time. I'm not going to enter a trade if I don't see like confirmation to indicators we're using, just to make a fucking click. You know, that's not what I want to do. If I don't see anything, we're just going to talk shit and answer chat. There's no point me doing that.
You're wasting time and you didn't long Solana.
Yeah, well, I was long in 2 coins there, man. Fuck's sake. Give me a chance. Oh my god, look at Ethereum go now. Holy fuck, chat is ripping this coin, bro. I guarantee.
You give yourself too much credit here.
Bro, that would have been a couple hundred right now, right? On Solana, or Ethereum, sorry. That's gone.
Yeah, probably.
Yep.
Probably.
God, it's difficult, man. It's difficult.
But you can also look.
Oh my god, look at that. Bobby, sorry. Look at that.
Yeah, look, I mean you're just waiting too much, man.
It's fine.
All you have to do is, so instead of $14, you could have made.
Don't worry. We're going to short this. We're going to fucking short the fuck out of Ethereum in a second. Don't worry. Don't fucking worry.
All right.
Don't worry. I'm right there with you. Don't you fucking worry, Buffy. I'm ready to go. See when I get confirmation here? There's 2 grand's getting back down in Ethereum. And I'm fucking shorting the fuck out this coin. When I hit this, when I'm looking for this 3-1, right? 09. No?
I mean,
that's what, again, I don't know. That's what I'm seeing.
I would probably wait a little bit more.
Yeah, of course. This is fun, huh?
Because you're playing with the micro trend, so you still have to.
I'm waiting for a little bit. I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'll say this live. I'm waiting for a little bit of nuke on this RSI. That candle might be the fucking first sign I'm looking for. I'm in. Oh boy. That was too early. That was way too early. I just couldn't help. That was way too early. I did not stick to my guns there, but you know. Oh god, it's gone. It's gone. In the wrong direction. No, it's hanging on. Oh my god, look at that wick, man. Wicks are crazy, bro. Write it down. That's where we're at. Blockchain money, that's what we're trying to do, but that wick is huge. Oh boy.
Told you it was too early, but whatever.
Is it? Is it, Bobby? $12. Fucking scraped. Let's go. 11.53, 867. We're almost at 1,000 baht, which is a fucking good meal. Which is a fucking steak. Which is like, bro. Is it? Come on. Come on, chat. Again, too early. We're 9 for 9. We are scalping. Who's scalping live right now on YouTube? All these little news channels that say they're traders, that sells you $1,000 trading course. Who's doing that live? Nobody, because they're all fucking liars. We give you a free Discord with the GG indicator, and you don't even need to speak to me. You can speak to experts. No, I'm being serious. Like Bobby, like the crypto expert, or the YouTube expert as he's known here. Who's doing that? Fuck. Holy fuck. That's crazy wicks, man.
That is crazy.
That is crazy. Yeah, I need to drop a trading course, huh?
I have. Oh, man.
You know what's funny? Like, some of these guys... No, let's be honest. I'm obviously joking. Like, we'll sell you a fucking free Discord. That's what we'll sell you. But most guys literally fucking sell a trading stuff and they've never traded in their life. Or they've had one good fucking month. Yeah. That's the real talk. That was the most professional, well-analyzed genius trades. And I know we're joking. I don't know if you're joking. Maybe you're not joking. But I did say that. And I did say, okay, I called what I said I would do. The RSI, stock RSI was at the top. I was like, look at it now. I was waiting for, and again, I've closed that way too fucking early. That's my problem. Fuck's sake. But it's fine. This was starting to fall. We smashed this, and then I put it on. I did call that, Bobby. I did say that.
Here's what the math actually comes in your favor, right? You could be wrong. If you actually stick to your guns, you could be wrong 50% of the time. Lose half the trades and still make money.
Yep. Three for three, 4 for 4 yesterday. Again, it's a little bit of fun. We're getting our feet wet. But I feel the first time I did this, I was just not confident at all. Didn't know what I was doing. No idea.
I mean, you closed that short way too early.
Yeah, I did. And I closed the longs way too early. Would have been maybe sitting at $500-600 in profit. Maybe. I don't know.
How about this, Jake?
No. I told you next week, Bobby. We have to stick to the guns, which is tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow. Because I know what you're going to say. In the next one, put a little take profit. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Are you not licking your fingers, Bobby, thinking to put on a little trade alongside me?
No.
Not even a little bit.
I mean, I'll do it one day for fun, but this is just...
This is what? Genius?
Yes, Jake, that's what it was.
I'm really liking these
See,
top
with me-
top 6 coins, man. So go on.
Yeah, no, I mean, to me, I just like to go in size.
Yeah.
But if I go in size, I'm not doing 20x leverage.
Well, neither am I.
But it is crazy. Like, I've never actually tried to just stay here on the 1 minute time frame. I mean, this is just peak degeneracy. I need to crank up the volume of the mic.
I can hear him, but you even have a mic, Bobby.
Yeah, I do have a mic.
Okay, everything's went down to the bottom in the RSI. It's interesting. But it's way... GG still seeing green, so I definitely don't want to enter another trade here. This little tool, honestly, people will say, oh, this is a retail tool if everybody's going to use it. Like, this, Bobby, honestly, you giving me this is just, so far, just made this game way more confident for me. I don't know why. It just seems like you can see a little bit easier before the trend flips. It's kind of nice.
It's like I told you before. Most of retail, they just use the regular RSI.
Mm-hmm.
For this type of crazy stuff that you want to do, the stochastic RSI is much better.
Yeah. Everything's now running away from me, which is fine.
And ideally, the simpler your chart looks, the better.
Yep. It's kind of nice. I don't need to upgrade to any more TradingView's paid plan because you can only have 2, and I only want 2. So I'm like, okay, well, I can't even add another indicator if I want to because it won't fucking let me. So thank you. No need.
Well, please, TradingView, offer this guy a deal of some sort so he can upgrade his TradingView account.
Yeah, and for me to just give it to you. Because I don't want it.
I already paid for my year of premium on Black Friday, so it's too late for me.
Yeah, but imagine the better one. You can see, I believe, the ticks in 1 tick. So I think that's maybe just way more fucking accurate.
Oh yeah, the pro plan.
Yeah. You need to look at a lot of time frames like 3 minutes, 9 minutes, 27 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours. 3 minutes is greater than 1 minute. Yeah, maybe, probably. That's what that TGR does. He starts out 1 hour, 15 minutes. Or sorry, 1 hour, then 30 minutes, then 50 minutes. And then when he gets kind of like confirmation there, he'll start to go in the 1 minute to 5 minute. So I've noticed that he does. We don't even fuck around with that. We're just straight on the 1 minute. We don't even mess around. What's
Well,
your
this has been fun and eye opening.
what's, what's your plans today? It's just 9 a.m. your time.
Yeah, it's 9 a.m. my time.
What's your plan? Sauna again? Rest or just fucking?
No, I'm not. I'm not doing the sauna anymore. That's what fucked me up.
I told you. I literally told you
You
this
did tell
yesterday.
you did tell me.
And what happened?
It was a 50-50 shot.
Not according
And
to
I was
Reddit. Not according to Reddit. Reddit literally said, because I was going to do this. I'm still sick, but I was really sick 2, 3 days ago. And I was Redditing this, whatever you call it. And basically everybody said, don't fucking do it, because if you think about it, people will say, oh yeah, sweat it out cold. And that's just like, it's like an old wives' tale. Your body is so like, your immune system is just trying to kill that cold. And then you're giving it more stress by putting yourself in a hot fucking scenario. So it's like, you make yourself worse.
huh.
Did you get the massage? Not the happy ending one, of course, the real massage.
Yeah, I get the real massage yesterday.
Did that help?
I mean, not for the sickness, but I mean, it was nice. But I ruined it by going to the sauna afterwards and feeling like crap.
Oh, so you went on afterwards. When it comes to trading, bare naked crypto is greater than TGR. Do we know who bare naked crypto is?
I have no idea, But if he's the YouTube expert, he probably knows what he's talking about.
Bare naked crypto. Let's have a look. Oh, I'm already fucking interested. I already know.
I like this. I like this.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look. He doesn't post. That's the problem. Why does he not post?
He has like the perfect profile pic.
Let's have a look.
Nation, what is going on? I want to give you guys a
Okay, so I'm already. This is just way too much for me. This is like chart after. Is that 8 charts or no? 4 charts before RSIs or whatever you call it. Holy fuck. This is too much for me. This is where I get confused. Like, what is going on here? He has videos teaching you for free. I mean, we have live videos teaching you for free. I'm joking. This is too much. Bobby, is this too much for you?
Yeah, this is a little too much for me. I mean, I see what he's doing, but yeah.
I have no idea what he's doing.
I'm not. Look, I'm not saying he's bad at all.
No, of course.
But this is just a little too much dopamine for me.
He's a good guy. He's partnered with BitUnex. We love BitUnex. So fucking love this guy. Good boy. Good boy. That's all we need to know. That's all we need to know. Is he big on TikTok or
check it
something?
out.
Yeah, check it out. Check it
I'll
out. Check it out. Check it out.
Not going anywhere today.
Where's he from? USA. Cool fucking shirts.
incurred nation. What is
He's hardcore. Yeah. If I ever get to this stage, I don't want to, but this is probably the stage where you're fucking just locked in. My whole goal with trading, bro, is just to like trade for fun, eventually get to size where I can make it like really fucking fun, win and bad, but not to look at the chart for 12 hours a day. Not that he is, okay? But it's just to have something where we're on stream for an hour to an hour and a half. We've probably been on that for how long now anyways, I don't even know. And then just get the fuck away. Get the fuck away. I don't want to make trading a full-time job. No. For you, I don't know, Bobby, for you, but it's just like you come in an hour, you get better every day, you learn a lot from your lessons, and you get out.
Yeah, see, for me, it's really like, anytime I set a trade, like I don't stay there and look at it. I mean, I'll set a trade and have my level set up, and whether it's profit or stop loss, I just set it and forget it, sort of deal.
Yeah.
Unless I'm sitting at my computer and I see the market just turning around and it makes sense to close all my trades, and I'll do that.
Yep. I don't see any more potentials, guys. To be honest, I'm not going to put another trade. We're 9 for 9, I think, or no, 8 for 8. How many trades did we do? We did 3 today. 2 today. 3, 2, 3.
You did 4.
7. We're 7 for 7. We made almost 1k back. And it's not even about how much we make. Who gives a fuck? It's about coming in here and learning. Tomorrow's going to be interesting because I'm going to be on. Oh, fuck! I'm streaming twice tomorrow, Bobby. I forgot. I'm streaming with Parker in the morning. Hopefully, if we can get the setup to work, God knows, because that was a disaster last time. I think we're going to talk about DeFi. Like I said, I'm trying to shift away from the market. I know a lot of my YouTubers like that, but we're probably going to lose a lot of that audience, and that's fine. But it is what it is. But we'll probably talk about DeFi, and we'll talk about maybe a system for crypto, or maybe something whatever Parker has to say. And then I'm going to be well, I am. I'm not going to say. I need to stop saying probably. Am I going to the gym tomorrow? Yes. Am I going to trade tomorrow at 9:30 p.m.? Is that right? When it opens 9:30 is 9:30, right, Bobby? So I don't fuck that up.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm like 12 hours behind you.
But that's when the market opens, New York time.
Yes.
Okay, beautiful. So yeah, I'm going to try. I am going to stream every single day for 30 days. But Saturday and Sunday, I don't know if it's worth it. Because we're in here, we're winning trades, but are we really? Because like nothing's really happening. Even on the minute, you can forget about the fucking 30 minutes, 4 hours chart. Because you're just going to do nothing, if we're being honest, right? On those time frames today. But I still probably will. What else? What else is on your mind, Bobby? Or what else is on anybody's mind?
I don't know. My mind's running a little slow today, but
Okay.
I was looking through this guy's channel, the Bare Naked guy,
Mm-hmm.
and now I see where the YouTube expert, because I see that sometimes he likes to use the Ichimoku cloud.
The what?
So that's just a little extra confluence tool.
Okay. Everybody's got their own thing, man. Like, I've been watching a lot of these traders. Everybody's got their own thing, their own trend indicators, like their own tools, etc. And what most of them have said is you stick to what you like and what you believe in, and you don't add more. And that's what I'm going to do. That's what Bobby's doing. Like, nobody has a right or wrong answer here. In cryptocurrency investing, you just buy and you do nothing. You know? In this, there's so many indicators. How many indicators is there? Probably fucking, the free ones, there's probably fucking thousands, right? That you can come on here and find. But I think you should stick to what you know and what you like, and that's what I'm going to do. And that's what you guys should do if you're trading. That's what probably Bobby does as well. And that's it. There's nothing else you need to do. So.
Yeah, less is better.
Less is better. Less is more.
Much better.
Less is more. Because how many indicators have we seen where it's just like one tells you go long, the other one tells you go long, but then like 5 tell you go short. And then your mind says, okay, well, I can't do anything. So.
Yeah, I mean, I think we're trying to do something cool. I mean, we're, giving out this indicator for free. So we're not trying to sell you anything. We're just trying to have fun, really. I mean, this was an idea that started during a call, right?
Yeah. You literally. And, if I wasn't using the indicator and Bobby wasn't using the indicator, like, even it's for free, it's just like, ugh, you guys really fuck with the indicator. I'm using the indicator live on fucking camera with $10,000 clips. So, obviously, I want to make sure this indicator is good. And I believe in it.
To be fair, you haven't used a $10,000 clip yet.
Yes, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. I'm putting $2,000 on a trade at 5x leverage. Yes. So, and it doesn't even matter about the money. Whether you're rich, whether you're poor, whatever you believe rich is, it doesn't even matter. If you put $20 on, I don't like to lose $20. That's why I get excited about with an 800K fucking portfolio and winning $15. That's fucking cool to me. That's fucking sick. I don't want to lose $15. I want to win $15. But I know dopamine's going to be high once we start really fucking scaling this, and dopamine's going to be very bad when we lose 2K, 3K, actually lose 2K trades. So that is coming right around the corner. So that will be more fun.
Yeah, so let's set some goals for your day trading sessions.
Oh, like what?
As far as like how much you're trying to make, 'cause we gotta have those goals.
I'm not trying to make anything in the first 6 months. to be honest.
Oh, okay.
Like, I don't think I will. So, because I just know how difficult this is going to be, but I refuse to give up. I know so many people that some still trade today, but back in Glasgow, UK, Scotland, all my old friends were traders, right? Or they thought they were traders. And they would trade for 2 days, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Maybe some would make 2 months. But they would always give up. Always give up. So, and that's because they were trying to be rich or be fucking turn 1K into 100K in that time frame. And when you set a goal like that and you realize you're just fucking blowing your account balances off, you give up. So that's why I don't want to set a goal for 6 months, at least 6 months. My goal is to show up at least Monday to Friday for 6 months. I will show up live on camera. As long as I'm not on a plane or super, super sick, I will show up live on camera. Every day, Monday to Friday. I can guarantee you that. That's my goal. Showing up. It was the same thing for YouTube and dropshipping. Like YouTube, I didn't try to make money. I just wanted to show up. And then by accident, we monetized our channel. So, it's a nice, wholesome way of saying that. Because I'm not going to set a goal and say I'm going to turn 10K to 100K in 6 months. Yeah, I might, but realistically, it'll probably be 10K to 0 3 times. So I'll be minus 30K. And that's fine. Hopefully not, but maybe that'll be the case. I'll just show up every day.
Yeah, usually consistency beats talent every time.
That is true. That is true. In all cases, except maybe basketball, if you're 5'5" and white. That's probably the only case where, like, if you play basketball every single day, but somebody's 1 foot taller than you, he probably will just beat you with his genetics. But in trading, in crypto, you just need to show up. As long as you have a fucking working hands, you can lose your legs and still win this game. As long as you pull up in your wheelchair, you'll be fine. Physical sports, maybe not. Genetics probably play some sort of a part. But here, if you just show up, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Bear market vibes. What a nice way to end the stream. Some guy just commented bear market vibe.
Oh boy.
Bobby, when am I seeing you again? And the big stream, is it Wednesday? Your Tuesday, my Wednesday.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You gonna be 100% for that big stream?
I have to be.
Because that is when we're really going to be going hard on trading. Maybe not doing live trades because it'll be the opposite time where I want to trade. It'll be 7:30 or 8:30 in the morning. 8:30. Is that okay for volume or no? 8:30 p.m. at your time?
I mean, 8:30 p.m. my time?
That's when it'll be, won't it not?
Yeah, I mean, it's if there's going to be more volume than this.
And if we could make 1K bat in Thai bat and no volume, whew, we're in for a bumpy ride.
What's that in?
It's like $25, I think.
basis?
I think it's like 25.
Okay. Well, what about a small goal? There you go. $25.
Yeah, I always do 1K. 1K, which is like a stake here. So if I can make 1K on these trades, that's why I'm cashing out so fast. That's the other reason I have, because I'm like, boom, if I can just buy grab right now, it's a beautiful steak and some fucking rice. That's why I'm so early in these things, because like now I did it yesterday, right? I think I made more I did make more yesterday. I made a lot more yesterday. I think I made like 1.8K yesterday. Bat. Somebody's clipping this and saying dollars. No, I didn't make that in dollars. Fuck's sake. That's my problem. When I see like the 1K bat, because I'm spending Thai baht, that's what my currency is right now. It's like, boom, I know I can get a fucking beautiful meal for that. So I'm cashing out. I don't give a fuck. Do you know what I mean? That's my problem as well. So, but I don't think I want to trade, because I want to trade Monday to Friday at just one time. I don't want to force trading, even if we have a better setup, because I'll be trading twice that day. I don't really want to do that.
Okay, I didn't get that vibe from the last live stream when you put it was a revenge trading, but okay.
Well, that was one day later.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. And I did revenge trade. I went fucking 4 trades back to back. Because I was pissed off about the day before. But we've came a long way. What we're going to start focusing now on from tomorrow is exactly what you guys and Bobby have grilled me on. take profits. At least, maybe not a stop loss. I take profit. That'll be phase one. I take profit.
Yes, please.
Yes.
That way, if you're monitoring the chat or doing something else,
Which I've done
you get
twice on this trade. Like I would have made way more today if I just did that.
yes.
On both those first trades. Solana and Ethereum, I think it was, or ADA and Ethereum, whatever it was, those would have made, probably 5k back, maybe 10k back, I don't know, a couple $100. In literally 5 minutes of not me being a pussy by saying, okay, boom, done. Literally, if I just did that. But that's good because we know what we need to work on.
Yeah, this for sure has not been financial advice, but it has been fun as hell.
Yeah. There's no financial advice here. Just two dudes trading. But you're just taking it step by step. Exactly. Just when I started to first buy Bitcoin, it was, okay, and this sounds retarded, but you tell this to my mum, and she'd be like, that's so difficult. How do you buy Bitcoin? She'll have no fucking idea, and I had the same question in 2020. Well, you download Coinbase, not even the best way to do it, but that's what I did. Well, how do I connect my bank account? Well, how do I do this? Maybe I want to send the Bitcoin to a Trezor. I was like, holy fuck. That's what I'm seeing here when I cook up this trading view. That's where I am right now. I'm just trying to buy Bitcoin back in 2020. That's what you have to understand about me. That's where I'm at.
Yeah.
But we are winning trades. Winning bear market since January 2025. I'm thinking to sell all pump tokens only I don't have. On that note, we'll love you and leave you. Bobby, it's been a pleasure. We are 7 for 7. Let's see if we can come in here tomorrow and absolutely rip some high volume days. Probably completely lose the last 2 days of work effort in one trade, but that's what it's all about. Bobby, you got anything else to say before I love you and leave you?
No, that's it, man. Just
I hope you enjoyed. I do say what I'm going to do. I did say that, Bobby, I would come in here and I've done the trades. Even though there's no volume, we did come out on top today, and that's what we're trying to do every single day.
all right, cool.
GG, boys. Take care. Goodbye, Bobby. Pleasure. See you guys soon.